Hello guys, today we're gonna start a new chapter which is limit, right? So limit is second chapter of fifth semester business mathematics and first we are gonna discuss the definition of limit or what is limit, right? So limit may be defined as neighboring values of a certain figure. Neighboring values of a certain figure, right? Neighboring values of a certain figure. Now, why do we need to find a neighboring value? Right? This kind of questions will occur on our mind when we read the definition. So, let me make you understand with an example. If, for example, suppose f of x is 2x by x. Right? Now, in place of x, you keep anything, right? You keep anything, it will be defined except what, except for 0. Suppose f0 is 2 into 0 by 0, right? It is undefined, it does not exist, right? But if we want to find the neighboring values, for example 2 into 0.000001 by 0.000001, right? Then in that case it can be defined, the value exists, right? So this is known as limit. Now in our syllabus, particularly, there are not much varieties of limit questions. uh, all those which are there, I am gonna discuss, right? So let's solve the next year previous year questions from this topic. The first question, it gives us limit of x tending to 0, right? This indication is called x tending to 0. Now limit of x tending to 0, root over 1 plus 2x minus 1 minus 3x by x, right? So how will we do this? We see that whenever we find a root in numerator or denominator, we try to cancel them, right? We try to cancel them, and how do we cancel them? We try to bring them in a algebraic expression like a square minus b square, or like such expressions we try to convert them into, right? So but first of all we have to check a certain things, right? For example, if we put 0 in place of x, it is in indefinite form or not. Indefinite form means 0 by 0, right? 0 by 0, it is in indefinite form. So first we have to check whether the following expression, when put a 0 in place of x, gives us in indefinite form or not. So checking that, 1 plus 2 into 0 minus 1 minus 3 into 0 by 0, right? So it is 1 plus 2 into 0 is 0, so root 1 minus root 1, here also 3 into 0 is 0 by 0 equals to 0 by 0, indefinite form. So we do this to become certain that yes, this question is worth solving, because this question is in its original form cannot be solved anyhow, right? Now what we do, we rationalize the numerator, rationalize the under root expressions in numerator and denominator. See how I do it. So 1 plus 2x minus 1 minus 3x, this was our original expression, right? We multiply the same thing with numerator and denominator, but here it is minus, but we will multiply plus, right? 1 plus 2x minus 1 minus 3x. Sorry, this will be plus, and the same thing, right? This figure we have to multiply with the denominator also. Now you guys know that in case of algebraic expressions we can always multiply and multiply on both sides, right? On both sides we can always multiply. 1 plus 2x, sorry, 1 plus 2x plus 1 minus 3x. So now if we want we can cancel them. It will not be an issue, right? But we will not uh, cancel them. What we will do is, see here, both the equations, sorry, both the expressions have occurred into a square plus b square, a square minus b square form, a minus b, a plus b, right? This is a, this is b. So a plus b into a minus b, we know a square minus b square, a square minus b square by x into 1 plus 2x root plus 1 minus 3x root. Right, now similarly 1 plus 2x root over square becomes only 1 plus 2x minus 1 minus 3x, right? Yes or no? Yeah, and this will become 1 x 1 plus 2x, this will remain the same, 1 minus 3x, right? Now what? Now we put x in place of 0 in place of x, so 1 plus wait a sec, here something will be cancelled, right? So it will become 1 minus 1 plus 2 wait, one second, this whole figure is squared, right? So this will become plus, okay, this will become plus, and 2x plus 3x is 5x, 5x by x 1 plus 2x plus 1 minus 3x. This x got cancelled, so we are left with 5 by this figure. Now we are going to put when x equals to 0, right? 0 in place of x. Now 5 by 1 plus 2 into 0 root plus 1 minus 3 into 0 root. Does it become 0 by 0? No. We see that it becomes 5 by root 1 plus root 1, right? Now root 1, we know that root 1 is 1, right? So the answer is 5 by 2. Okay, so this was our first question. Let's go to the next question. Now the next question is limit of x tending to 9 root x minus 3 by x minus 9, right? Now as usual we put 9 in place of this x, right? Since this is tending to 9, so we put 9 in place of x. So root 9 minus 3 by x 9 minus 9, right? It becomes 0 by 0. So we will further solve this question knowing that it is in indefinite form originally. So here in numerator we can see root x, so root x minus 3 root x plus 3 by x minus 9 to root x plus 3. Now in the numerator it becomes root x square minus 3 square, and in denominator it remains the same, right? Now it becomes in numerator it becomes what? It becomes x minus 9 by x minus 9 into root x plus 3. Now x minus 9 got cancelled, so we are left with 1 by root x plus 3. Now if we put 9 in place of this x, right, it becomes, when x equals to 9, root 9 plus 3 close to 1 by 3 plus 3 close to 1 by 6, right? This is our answer. Next question, right? Next question. Next question, let's see what we have. The next question that we have is 6x cube minus 5x square plus 3 by 2x cube plus 4x minus 7, limit of x tending to infinity. Right, actually this figure will be this side, but I have messed it up, don't mind. So when x equals to infinity, f of x equals to infinity by infinity, you can put the value and check it. I have already checked it, so I know it is in indefinite form, right? So I will further solve it. Now in this type of questions, what we do, right? Limit of x tending to infinity, right? Then there are no roots in the question. So what we will do? First we will find the highest coefficient of x in numerator as well as in denominator, right? What is it? We can see it is 3, right? It is 3. So what we will do is we will divide the numerator as well as denominator by x cube, or the highest coefficient of x. So 1 by x cube, 6x cube minus 5x square plus 3 by 1 by x cube, 2x cube plus 4x minus 7, right? Keep writing limit, this thing keep writing here also, right? I am not writing, let me write limit of x tending to infinity. Sorry, limit of x tending to infinity. Now 6x cube by x cube minus 5x square by x cube plus 3 by x cube by 2x cube by x cube plus 4x by x cube minus 7 by x cube. Now this x cube got cancelled, right? I am fine and writing it. So 6 minus x is, we are left with 6 minus 5 by x plus 3 by x cube by 2 plus 4 by x square minus 7 by x cube. Now what we do? We put infinity in place of x, right? We put infinity in place of x. So all those figures which have denominator as x will get cancelled, right? So this tends to infinity, this tends to infinity, this tends to infinity, this also tends to infinity. Putting x tends to infinity. Now we are left with 6 by 2 equals to 3. Right? So this is our answer. Okay, so next question we have limit of x tending to 2, x square minus x square plus x minus 6 by x square minus 4. Right. Now, how will we solve this question? First, we will put x in place, 2 in place of x, 2 square plus 2 minus 6 by 2 square minus 4. We find that this is 0 by 0, right? 0 by 0. So further, we solve this question. We find the highest coefficient of x, right? And divide them. No, sorry, that was the procedure of solving infinite question, x tending to infinity. Now, in case of such questions, first, what we will do, we will solve it by division method, right? Polynomial division method. Now, how we do that? We find that when we put 2 in place of x, right? 2 in place of x, when x equals to 2, f of x equals to 0 by 0, infinite, in indefinite form, right? So x minus 2 is a factor of fx, factor of fx, right? Factor of fx. Now what we will do, we will divide this x minus, divide numerator as well as denominator using this x minus 2, right? X minus 2. Now we are lucky for this question because we don't have to actually divide it, right? We can factorize it to know its other factor, right? X square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. That means x into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3, right? So x minus 2, we have already this factor, and x plus 3 is our another factor. Also, we have in denominator x square minus 4, right? We can also factorize it. We do not have to actually solve it by division method. X square minus 4 is x square minus 2 square. It is x plus 2, x minus 2. Now we have already x minus 2 factors, so we know that this is our another required factor, right? Now what we will do, after obtaining those factors, right? After obtaining those factors, we will further see whether it matches with, whether when again put 2 into the equation it gets solved or not, right? In this way, right? See, x minus 2 into x plus 3, it was the factor of our what is numerator, and x plus 2, x minus 2, it is our denominator. Now what we will do, we will put 2 in place of x, right? 2 minus 2, 2 plus 3. Also here also 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2. Here we see that again we derive it in indefinite form, right? So now what we will do, wait a sec, I am actually mistaking it, right? I am actually mistaking it. Here in x minus 2 and x minus 2 will get cancelled, so we are left with x plus 3 by x plus 2, right? Putting 2 in place of x, we get 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 2 equals to 6 by 4 equals to 2 by 3 by 2. Sorry, here 5, it will be 5. 5 by 4 is our answer. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 5, right? Question number 5. So it has limit of x tending to 3, x minus 3 by x minus 2 minus 4 minus x, both under root. Now we know that this is how this is an old school sum and we know how to solve it, right? Putting x equals to 3, f of 3 equals to 3 minus 3 by 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3 equals to 0 by root 1 minus root 1 equals to 0 by 0. Indefinite form, right? So we will further solve it. We know that this type of sum we factorize, right? So x minus 3 into root over x minus 2 plus 4 minus x, and in denominator we have x minus 2 minus 4 minus x into x minus 2 plus 4 minus x, right? Now we know that the denominator has become an algebraic expression a square minus b square, right? So x minus 3 in numerator it will remain the same, 4 minus x by, this is our a, right? This is our a, this is our b. So root x minus 2 square minus 4 minus x square. So it becomes x minus 3, x minus 2 plus 4 minus x by x minus 2 minus 4 minus x, right? Minus 4 minus x. Now we see that this x and this x got cancelled, right? Here it is minus, so here it will be plus, here it will become plus, right? So we are left with x minus 3 root x plus root x minus 2 plus 4 minus x, root 4 minus x, and in denominator we have minus 2 minus 4, right? wait a sec. I think again I have gone somewhere wrong. Wait, I will solve this after in the next video. I mean, in the next part, right? Let me check where I went wrong. Okay, guys, now I finally found where I went wrong, right? So in the denominator, it will be x minus 2 minus 4 minus x, right? And this is plus x, and this will become plus x, so it will become 2x minus 6, right? 2x minus 6. Or we can take 2 common and write x minus 3, right? 2 common, x minus 3. Now x minus 3 got cancelled. We are left with root x minus 2 plus root 4 minus x by 2. Now putting 3 in place of x, we get 3 minus 2 plus 4 minus 3 by 2. That is 2 by 2 equals to 1. Right, this is our final answer. We will proceed to the next question. In the next question, that is question number 6, we have limit of x tending to infinity, x square plus 3x plus 2 by x square plus x minus 4. Right. Now we know how to solve this type of questions. X tending to infinity, right? First we find highest coefficient of x in numerator as well as in denominator, right? That is, we can clearly see which is x cube. So we divide x cube 1 by x cube. We multiply 1 by x cube with both numerator as well as denominator. We get x square minus x square by x cube plus 3x by x cube plus 2 by x cube by x cube by x cube plus x by x cube minus 4 by x cube. Now we are left with 1 by x plus 3 by x square plus 2 by x cube by 1 plus 1 by x square minus 4 by x cube. Now, as we know, x is tending to infinity, so this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will also get cancelled, this will also get cancelled. We are left with 0 by 1 equals to 0, right? this is how we solved our 6th question. Next we are going to proceed towards our 7th question. Limit of x tending to 1, x square plus 5x minus 6 by x square minus 3x plus 2. Right. So we have what we have is x tending to 1, right? So we will do it by polynomial division method. Now polynomial division method is a concept. We know that when we put x 1 in place of x, right? 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 6 by 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. It becomes 1 square is 1 plus 5 into 1 5, that is 6 minus 6 by 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, that means 0 by 0. So x minus 1 is a factor of fx, right? So we will divide numerator as well as denominator with x minus 1. We can also alternatively solve it by by factorization method, but we will specifically solve this by long division method. X minus 1 x square plus 5x minus 6. So x into x square is x, right? And minus 1 into x is minus 1 into x is minus x. So this got cancelled. And this will become what? 6x. Now we are left with 6x minus 6. X into 6x is plus 6, and minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. So this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, we are left with 0. So this is a factor. So in numerator the factors are x minus 1 and x plus 6, right? Keeping this in mind, let me write it here: x minus 1 and x plus 6. We solved our denominator part, right? Now x into x is x square and minus 1 into x is minus x. So changing the signs, we got this cancelled, and minus 3x plus x is minus 2x and plus 2. X into minus 2 is minus 2x, and minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, right? So this get cancelled. We have another factor as x minus 2. So in denominator our factors are x minus 1 and x minus 2, right? Now what we will do, we will put these factors in place of the expressions x minus 1, x plus 6 by x minus 1 and x minus 2. So x minus 1 got cancelled. If we put a 1 in place of x now, 1 plus 6 by 1 minus 2, that is 7 by minus 1. Right, that is minus 7. Minus 7 should be our answer. Yeah. Right, so this is how we solve limit evaluations by long division method. Although these divisions are not long, but this method is called long division method. Now what we will do, we will proceed to the next question. Limit of x tending to 0, 1 minus x square by x square. Now how will we solve this question? We see that if we put y 0 in place of x, 1 minus 0 square by 0 square. 0 square is nothing, so 1 minus root 1 by 0 equals to root 1. We know the value of root 1 is 1, so 1 minus 1 by 0, 0 by 0. So it is in indefinite form. Now what we will do, we will do the same old technique, 1 minus x square. We will consider this as a, this as b, so we will multiply this with 1 plus 1 minus x square. Right, and in denominator we have x square, from where we will multiply 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus x square. Now what we have in numerator, we have a square minus b square, right? So a square minus b square by x square, 1 plus 1 minus x square. Now from here what we have, 1 minus 1 plus x square, and in denominator we have the same thing, x square, 1 plus 1 minus x square. Now this x square got cancelled, so we have 0 by 1 plus 1 minus x square. So if we put 0 in place of this figure, we have 1 plus 1 minus 0 square root, that is 0 by 0. Sorry, we have 0 by 1 plus root 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2, that is 0, right? So this is how we solved our 8th question, right? Next we are going to solve our 9th question. We have limit of x tending to 0, root 2 plus 3x minus 2 minus 5x. This is also under root by 4x, right? So we will also solve this using the same technique. If we put 0 in place of x, we know that the whole figure will become 0 by 0, that is indefinite form. So we will rationalize it, 2 plus 3x minus 2 minus 5x under root here 2 plus 3x plus 2 minus 5x. will occur, yes or no? So in numerator we have a square minus b square, that is 2 plus 3x square minus 2 minus 5x square by 4x 2 plus 3x plus 2 minus 5x, right? So from here next step is 2 plus 3x, root will not occur there, 2 plus 3x minus 2 minus 5x by 4x 2 plus 3x plus 2 minus 5x. Now from here 2 plus 3x, this minus plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled, 3x, this will get plus 8x by 4x, right? 8x by 4x into 2 plus 3x plus 2 minus 5x. This will get cancelled. Here we will be left with 2 by this whole figure. I am directly putting 0 in place of this x, right? Because I do not have much space left. We will have 2 plus 3 into 0 plus 2 minus 5 into 0. Two by root 2 plus root 2, that is 2 by 2 root 2 equals to 1 by root 2, right? This is our answer. For the next question we have, that is question number 10. Limit of x tending to infinity, 7 minus 2x plus x cube by 4 plus 5x cube minus x power 6. So here we can see that we have x tending to infinity, right? So we will do the same technique. We will divide the highest coefficient of x in numerator as well as in denominator. So we already know that if we put infinity in case of x, the whole figure will become in indefinite form, right? Indefinite form. So let's see. 1 by x power 6, 7 by x power 6 minus 2x by x power 6 plus x cube by x power 6. Here in denominator also 1 by x power 6, 4 by x power 6 plus 5x cube by x power 6 minus x power 6 by x power 6. So 7 by it will become 7 by x power 6 minus 2 by x power 5 plus x by x cube, and we have 4 by x power 6 plus 5 by x cube minus 1, right? So all this will tend to infinity. We are left with 0 by minus 1, that is 0. right? So this question number 10 is also solved. Next we are going to solve question number 11. Limit of x tending 3 x square plus 2x minus 15 by x square minus 2x minus 3. So here we have x equals to 3. If we put x 3 in place of x, we know that it will become 0 by 0, right? No need to, I am not doing that step, right? So because I know that it will become 0 by 0. So now what we will do, right? Here we do not have a root over in any numerator or denominator, so we will do it by factorization method. X square plus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. That means x square, wait a second, okay, so yeah, x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. That means x into x plus 5 minus 3 into x plus 5, right? So x minus 3 and x plus 5 are our two factors. Next, in case of denominator, we have x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. That is x square minus 3x plus x equals to 0. That is x into x minus 3 and minus 1 into x minus 3, right? So our factors are x minus 3 and x plus 1, right? Now we will put the factors in place of these expressions. X minus 3 x plus 5 by x minus 3 into x plus 1, right? Now if we put 3 in place of x, see these two got cancelled, so x plus 5 by x plus 1, that is when x equals to 3, 3 plus 5 by 3 plus 1, that is 8 by 4, that is 2, right? So answer for question number 11 is 2. Now let's proceed to the next question, that is question number 12. Let's see what we have there. Limit of x tending to 2 x plus 7 minus 3 by x minus 2 x plus 7 root over. So in case of root over, we know what to do, right? X plus 7 minus 3 into x plus 7 plus 3 by x minus 2 x plus 7 plus 3, right? Now in numerator, we know it has become x a square minus b square formula, so x plus 7 square minus 3 square by x minus 2 x plus 7 plus 3, right? Now this becomes wait a sec, I messed it up here. So it will become x plus 7 minus 3 square by x minus 2 x plus 7 plus 3, right? So here we have x plus 7 minus 3 square, we know 9, so we have x minus 2 x minus 2 x plus 7 plus 3. Now these two got cancelled. If we put 2 in place of x, we have 1 by 2 plus 7 plus 3, that is 1 plus 3 plus 3, that is 1 by 6. This is our answer. Sorry. This is our answer, right? Let's see what we have for our next question, that is question number 13. Limit of x tending to infinity, 5 minus 6x square by 1 plus 2x minus 3x square, 1 plus 2x minus 3x square, right? So we know how to solve this type of questions. So highest coefficient of x is x square, so we will divide that with both numerator as well as denominator. 6x square by x square by 1 plus 2x, 1 by x square plus 2x by x square minus 3x square by x square, right? So we are left with 5 minus x square minus 6 by 1 by x square plus 2 by x minus 3, right? So this will tend to infinity, this will tend to infinity, this will tend to infinity. We are left with 6 by 3, that is 2, right? Simple answer, simple technique. Let's see what we have for our next question. That is question number 14. Limit of x tending to infinity, again infinity question, x power 4 minus 3x square plus 7 by x power 4 plus x square minus 5, right? So we already can see that highest coefficient of x is x power 4, so 1 by x power 4, x power 4 minus 3x square plus 7 by, here also 1 by x power 4, x power 4 plus x square minus 5. So x power 4 by x power 4 minus 3x square by x power 4 plus 7 by x power 4, and in denominator x power 4 by x power 4 plus x square by x power 4 minus 5 by x power 4. So 1 plus 3 by x square plus 7 by x power 4 by 1 plus x by x, 1 plus 1 by x square minus 5 by x power 4. So this will tend to infinity, this will tend to infinity, this will tend to infinity, this will tend to infinity. We are left with 1 by 1, that is 1. Simple approach, guys. Let's see what we have for the next question. Question number 15, right? So x tending to 1, x square minus 1 by 3x plus 1 minus 5x minus 1, both in root overs. So we know how to treat this type of expressions, right? 3x plus 1 plus 5x plus 5x minus 1, both in root 3x plus 1 minus 5x minus 1, 3x plus 1 plus 5x plus 5x minus 1. That is, yeah. So x square minus 1, 3x plus 1 plus 5x minus 1 by 3x plus 1 root over square minus 5x minus 1 root over square. So x square minus 1, 3x plus 1 plus 5x minus 1 by 3x plus 1 minus 5x plus 1, right? So from here we see that yeah, x square minus 1, 3x plus 1 plus let me write it smaller, right? Okay, so we have x square minus 1, 3x plus 1 plus 5x minus 1 by 3x minus 5x, that is minus 2x plus 2 minus 2x plus 2, right? Minus 2x plus 2. Now we put, when x equals to 1, what will happen? 1 square minus 1 by root 1 plus 1, that is root 2 plus 5x minus 1, 5 into 1 minus 1, that is, sorry, here 3 into 1 plus 1, right? Root 4, that is only 2, and here we have 5 minus 1, that is 4, again plus 2 by minus 2 plus 2, that is 1 minus 1 0 into 2 0 plus 2, right? So it becomes 0 into, sorry, uh, 0 plus 0, let me ignore this 0 part, 5x minus 1, that is 2 by root 2 plus 2, that means 0, that means 0 by 0 indefinite form. So we know that here we have to further go one more step to solve this question, right? This is the most typical, not typical, I would say, this is the most difficult question I found out in this question part, right? Question number 15. So Since we cannot solve it using this way, so we will again rationalize it, right? We will again rationalize it. Now how will we do it? For that part I am rubbing this part, right? I am rubbing this thing again. Please remember up to this step, right? So we will rationalize it. X square minus 1, 3x plus 1 plus 5x minus 1, 3x plus 1 minus 5x minus 1, right? By minus 2x plus 2 into root 3x plus 1 minus 5x minus 1, right? So x square minus 1, 3x plus 1 minus 5x minus 1 by minus 2x plus 2, 3x plus 1 minus 5x minus 1, right? So here we can see that two things will get cancelled, right? It will become x square minus 1 into minus 2x plus 2, right? 3x and minus 5x, the minus 2x plus 1 that is plus 2 by 2x plus 2, 3x plus 1 minus 5x minus 1. These two got cancelled. We are left with x square minus 1 by, let me write it here, x square minus 1 by 3x plus 1 minus 5x minus 1, both under root. Now we will put x equals to 1, that is 1 minus 1 0, and here we have 3 plus 1, that is 2 minus 2, right? So this will again become 0 by 0. So again we have to rationalize it, right? This is the way we do it, right? Nothing can be done. We again have to rationalize this expression. For that I am rubbing this part. Right, and in numerator also 3x plus 1 plus 5x minus 1. So here we can see that yeah, we are left with x square minus 1, 3x plus 1 plus 5x plus 5x minus 1 by minus 2x plus 2. That is, now we put x in 1 in place of x. Let's see what we got. 1 square minus 1, that is 0. 0 into 0, this will also be 0. So 5 into 1 minus 1, that is, we have 2 by 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 2, 2 by 0. That is, wait. Okay. Now I got it. I am rubbing this part, right? Now, to simplify this further, we have x square minus 1 square can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1, and further this expression 3x plus 1 plus 5x minus 1 by, here if we take minus 2 as common, we will get x plus 1, x minus 1, right? X minus 1 actually. So this x minus 1, this x minus 1 got cancelled. We have x plus 1 and this whole figure. I am putting directly 1 in place of this x. So we have 1 plus 1. We have in this place 3 into 1 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, 4. Root 4 is 2 plus 5 into 1, 5 minus 4, that is also 2, and here we have minus 2, right? So 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6 by minus 2, that is minus 4 is our answer, right? This was a long question, so, and a bit tougher too. People generally get confused in this type of questions, like they lose faith and they start to think that they have done something wrong, but this is nothing wrong. We have to do this again and again, rationalize again and again, if we see that after then doing one step of rationalization, the product formed is again in indeterminate form, right? So let's see next question what it is. Question number 16. We have limit of x tending to infinity 3x cube plus 2x minus 1 by 4x cube plus 3x squared minus 2. Now we know how to solve this type of question. 3x cube is the highest coefficient of x, so we will divide numerator and denominator using the same value. 4x cube by x cube plus 3x squared by x cube minus 2 by x cube, right? So we are left with 3 plus 2 by x squared minus 1 by x cube by 4 plus 3 by x minus 2 by x cube. Now this will get to infinity, this will tend to infinity, this will tend to infinity, this will tend to infinity. We are left with 3 by 4, right? This is our answer. Next question, we have question number 17, right? Limit of x tending to 1, x squared plus 5x minus 6 by x squared minus 3x plus 2. We know that when we put x equals to 1, this becomes 0 by 0. So x minus 1 is a factor. X squared plus 5x minus 6. X into x equals to x squared. Minus 1 into x is minus x. We have minus plus. This gets cancelled. 6x minus 6. X into 6 equals to 6x, minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. This gets cancelled. We have two factors in numerator as x minus 1 and x plus 6. In case of denominator also we do the same thing. X square minus 3x plus 2, x into x equals to x square, and minus 1 into x is minus x. X into minus 2 is minus 2x, and minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, right? So this gets cancelled. Sorry, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, so this also gets cancelled. So in denominator we have x minus 1 and x minus 2, so this gets cancelled. We have x plus 6 by x minus 2 equals to 7 by minus 1, that is minus 7, right? This is our answer. The last question we have is question number 18. Limit of x tending to infinity, x square plus ax minus x, right? So we have to evaluate this. Yeah, so x square plus ax minus x root, and x square plus ax plus x, and in denominator we have x square plus ax plus x. Now from here x square plus ax minus x square by x square plus ax plus x square minus x square got cancelled. We have ax by x square plus ax plus x. So if we put wait, we have x tends to infinity, right? So yeah, I did it wrong actually. I did not notice infinity. So we have x square by x square plus ax by x square minus x by x square root under root, right? So x square will get cancelled. So 1 plus a by x minus x by 1 by x minus 1 by x equals to now this will tend to infinity, right? This will tend to infinity. Maybe wait, we will not do this step right now. What we will do is we are left with 1 plus a by x minus 1 by x, right? So what we will do is we will rationalize this thing. 1 plus a by x minus 1 by x by 1 plus a by x plus 1 by x. Now we have 1 plus x, sorry, a by x plus 1 by x by 1 plus a by x plus 1 by x. This 1 by x got cancelled. We have 1 plus a by x by 1 plus a by x root. Right. That means see what is this 1 plus a by x into root into and 1 plus a by x, right? And in denominator we have 1 plus a by x, so one of these will get cancelled, so 1 root over 1 plus a by x will be our answer, right? This is our answer. Now this will, since it is infinity, this will tend to infinity, right? So our answer is root 1 equals to 1. In this case we did both the techniques, right? First we did uh, what it is required for extending to infinity, okay, and then we rationalize the expression.